Step by step, how to create a timber effect with the use of ATLAS Cermit WN and ATLAS Beta. ATLAS Cermit WN creates a natural timber effect. This render is pressed with a silicon mold-forming wood structure. Not only is the effect decorative on the facade, but also durable. It might be applied to every external wall or in places as planned by a designer. ATLAS Beta provides a natural and durable color of wood. It is available in 10 colors. It's highly resistant to environmental factors and dirt. Step 1. Render preparation. Measure approximately 5.5 liters of water for 25 kg of dry mix. Pour the product to the bucket with previously measured water and mix till smooth mass is obtained. Leave the mortar to rest for 5 minutes and remix. The mass should be used up within 1 hour. Do not add water. Step 2. Render application. Secure the surface to be coated with render with a facade tape. During application, mix the mass regularly to unify its consistency. Apply first coat of the product on your prepared and primed with ATLAS Surplus substrate with a stainless steel trowel. Keep the coat thickness at aggregate grain size. Then apply another layer of the render. Aim for an even 3 to 4 mm coat. Use a 10 mm notch trowel to even the thickness of your render on the entire surface. Keep the trowel at a 45-degree angle, then smoothen the render down. When the render initially sets, that requires 20 to 60 minutes depending on weather conditions during application. You can start embedding the timber structure into the render. Step 3. Timber texture. Apply ATLAS anti-adhesion agent to your mold. Pay special attention not to miss any spot. Use regular roller or paintbrush for the application. Then, roll the mold in the way so the textured side is on the outside. Remove all bits of render stuck in the form regularly. Remember to coat the mold with anti-adhesion agent at least once every second layer. Get yourself someone to help you, as a minimum of 2 people are needed for pressing the mold. One unrolls the mold and presses it against the surface. The second person rolls back the mold and makes sure it does not tear any render off. The joint between the successive boards can be done with the use of a long level. Then, drag a tool on the edge, e.g. with a paint roller handle, to obtain the effect of joining timbers. Follow with pressing the mold below. To avoid copying the pattern, turn the mold by 180 degrees or start from the other end than previously. If you want your timber to be part of a different width than 20 centimeters, do not press the top part of the mold. If you want the pattern of a particular timber to be longer than 2 meters, turn the mold by 180 degrees and then start pressing again so the patterns overlap. Step 4. ATLAS Beta. When render dries fully, treat it with sanding paper to remove any bits that stick out and smooth it down. Pay attention to joints. Prior to the Beta application, remove dust from your surface with the paintbrush and secure your working area with facade tapes or plastic sheets. 5 days after the application, the render can be painted with ATLAS Beta. Mix your paint thoroughly with the mixing paddle or by hand with another tool. Apply ATLAS Beta in a chosen color in a thin, even layer with a paintbrush or a roller. Work in one direction along the embedded grain of the wood. For a weathered effect of timber, remove excess Beta with a rubber float. Do not miss and place unpainted, and ATLAS Beta works like a sealant. Pay special attention to the painting to make sure your effect is durable. When the first coat of Beta dries, apply second coat. For 1 square meter, you will need between 0.2 to 0.25 liters of ATLAS Beta per 1 coat. ATLAS Beta can be sprayed on. Remember to fully cover your surface area with the paint and protect close by areas with protective sheets. Timber effect. ATLAS Cermit WN and ATLAS create beautiful timber effects on a facade. The effect is durable and will last you years. Thanks to ATLAS, you can obtain durable and decorative effects like timber effect, stone effect, sandstone effect, concrete effect, and metal effect. See more at www.atlas.com.pl/en.